So there are a couple of different kinds of samplers that we use for pattern testing. The easiest to use are the water-sensitive papers and chrome coat. Now, water-sensitive papers will turn blue anytime any type of liquid is applied to them. So it creates a blue stain on the yellow background. And so in the spray tank, you can just use water when you're using water-sensitive papers. The other method that's a little more economical is chrome coat cards. Now, for chrome coat cards, they are white, and so we have to add a contrasting dye to be able to create a stain on that the computer and the scanner can recognize. So typically we'll use a food grade blue or purple or red or something like that that gives us a good contrasting color. But those are the two main samplers that we use. Sometimes string is used as well, but it's a little bit more complicated for the analysis using a string system.
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative as part of our spray drone training video series. My name is Madison Dixon, and I'm the Associate Director of the Mississippi State University Agricultural Autonomy Institute. And we'd like to take this opportunity to thank our many sponsors who made this video series possible. For more information, please visit arpa.org, rpaaa.org, or the Ag Autonomy Institute website at aai.msstate.edu. Thank you.